Welcome back to Web Workshop, designed by Zorrow Tech IT Solutions. In this session, we're diving into HTML text formatting. Text formatting is essential for making your web pages visually appealing and easy to read. By the end of this class, you'll know how to use HTML tags to style and structure text effectively. Let's get started. What is text formatting in HTML? HTML provides a variety of tags to format and style text on web pages. These tags help you emphasize important content, structure information, and make your text more engaging for users. Whether you want to make text bold, italic, or even highlight it, HTML has you covered. Text formatting tags. Let's explore the most commonly used text formatting tags in HTML. Bold text. To make text bold, use the B tag. This is great for drawing attention to specific words or phrases. For example, you can write "This text is bold" to make it stand out. Important text. If you want to indicate that certain text is important, use the strong tag. While it also makes text bold, it adds semantic meaning, telling browsers and screen readers that this text has strong importance. For example, "This text is important." Italic text. To make text italic, use the I tag. This is often used for stylistic purposes, like emphasizing a word or phrase. For example, "This text is italic." Emphasize text. For text that needs emphasis, use the EM tag. Like the strong tag, it adds semantic meaning, making it clear that the text should be emphasized. For example, "This text is emphasized." Mark text. If you want to highlight text like you would with a marker, use the mark tag. This adds a background color to the text. For example, "This text is marked." Smaller text. For fine print or disclaimers, use the small tag. This reduces the text size, making it less prominent. For example, "This text is smaller." Deleted text. To show text that has been deleted or removed, use the DEL tag. This adds a strike-through effect. For example, "This text is deleted." Inserted text. For text that has been added or inserted, use the INS tag. This underlines the text. For example, "This text is inserted." Subscript text. For text that needs to appear slightly below the normal line, like in chemical formulas, use the SUB tag. For example, H2O becomes H2O. Superscript text. For text that needs to appear slightly above the normal line, like in mathematical equations, use the SUP tag. For example, E equals MC squared becomes E equals MC squared. Why use these tags? These tags aren't just about making text look good. They also add meaning to your content. For example, use strong for important text instead of just making it bold. Use EM for emphasized text instead of just making it italic. By choosing the right tags, you make your content more accessible and meaningful for both users and search engines. Recap. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Bold text, use the B tag. Important text, use the strong tag. Italic text, use the I tag. Emphasized text, use the EM tag. Marked text, use the mark tag. Smaller text, use the small tag. Deleted text, use the DEL tag. Inserted text, use the INS tag. Subscript text, use the SUB tag. Superscript text, use the SUP tag. Why does this matter? Text formatting is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a better user experience. Well-formatted text is easier to read, more engaging, and more accessible. Plus, using the right tags helps search engines understand your content better, which can improve your website's visibility. That's it for today's class. You've learned how to format text in HTML using various tags. Now it's your turn to practice and experiment with these tags in your own projects. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on web development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next